Welcome to Lesson 10 class. This week we're really just expanding on topics that we started last week. And so last week you installed Google Analytics and linked that to your Google Ads account. That is to set the foundation for this ROI and conversion tracking assignment. Then we did the first half of your Google Ads campaign project. We'll do the second half this week, and then we will go into optimizing ad performance. You will also start project 4. So those projects are coming fast now. Projects 3 and 4 pair really well together. Project 3 is meant to be a little bit more simple and straightforward, and that will launch us into project 4, which will track your Google Ad campaign performance. So let's go into ROI and conversion tracking. This is candidly probably our most complex topic that we'll cover in marketing. ROI is return on investment. It's tracking how much money you're getting back out of your Google Ads campaign, out of the money you're investing in there. And it's what makes Google Ads so powerful. Google Ads may or may not be the right platform for your brand, but almost all companies use it because it offers something that almost no other marketing platform can offer. And that is to know, if it's set up correctly, you can know exactly, down to the penny, how much money you're earning on the money you're investing in Google Ads. So if I set up a billboard, I may see an uptick in business, but I may not know if that's from word of mouth or if that's from the billboard. And so marketing dollars can get, I guess the term I hear at work a lot is squishy. You don't know exactly if you're getting a return on the money you're investing. But you can from Google Ads, and this is going to show you how. And it starts with conversion tracking. A conversion in marketing terms, in online marketing terms, is identifying the point at which a visitor converts into a customer. That's a conversion. You've converted a visitor to your site into a customer. And that's where you'll see here measuring sales and conversions. That will give you a lot of that information. Understanding what a conversion is for your site is crucial. If you're selling a product on your site, it's pretty simple. If someone purchases that product, you usually have a page that pops up that says, "Thank you for your purchase." That's that moment where you know that visitor has become a customer, has converted to become a customer. If you're running an affiliate link, it's a little bit harder to track because you can't track on someone else's site if that purchase is actually made. So we'll talk through that a little bit. But you want to be able to identify a conversion, and that's at the beginning of this assignment, is identify at least one conversion for your website. And that is when they click on the affiliate link or when they purchase a product. Then you want to determine the value of the conversion. If you're selling a product, it's pretty straightforward, right? If I'm selling t-shirts for $5 and someone purchases the t-shirt from me, well, that's the value of that conversion. We're talking about the dollar value of the conversion. Now, if I have an affiliate link, that's going to be a little bit more difficult. Say they click on the affiliate link for the t-shirt that's worth $5. The value of that conversion when they click on that link isn't necessarily $5 for a few reasons. One, let's say I receive 10% of that. So I receive 50%, or excuse me, 50 cents every time I make a sale off of that affiliate agreement. Well, the value of that link isn't necessarily 50 cents either, because not everyone that clicks on the link converts and actually purchases the t-shirt. What I'll get from my affiliate agreement is the percentage of people who click on my links, how many of them actually purchase that. And so the value of that conversion then becomes a little bit more complex. And that's what these articles will help you understand. Because now I get 50 cents if they make that purchase, and let's say 10% of those who click on the affiliate link actually purchase the t-shirt. Now the value of that conversion is 5 cents because I've taken 10% of 50 cents. So it takes a little extra step if you have an affiliate link or drop shipping. Those things might be a little difficult to determine, but that determining the value of that conversion and what the conversion is crucial. Then determine which page is your conversion page. Again, if I'm selling a product, that page that comes up and says thank you for the purchase, that's your conversion page because you converted that visitor. If you have an affiliate link, then clicking on the affiliate link is that conversion page, and you can actually obtain a code snippet that's for that link, a unique code snippet. They offer that now for an affiliate link. So watch for that. You'll take that code snippet and place it on the conversion page or within the affiliate link. Then put the code snippet on the Word document as well. If for some reason you can't place the code snippet or struggle doing that, go ahead and describe that and talk about maybe your next best alternative to take advantage of this. Make sure your essay is a half a page to a page in length. I'd encourage you to lean into this assignment as best you can because it is so good for your business and such a good skill to learn. This conversion tracking is just absolutely crucial to the success of Google Ads. And I don't know if I explained this in enough detail, but the reason you've linked Google Ads and Google Analytics is Google Analytics tracks that conversion and tells Google Ads, oh, there's been a conversion. And so that's why you need those two linked together, because they'll allow you to truly measure the return on investment. The second half of Project 3 is, now that you've set it up and establish your daily budget, we've talked about that a few times, gotta have that daily budget in there. You'll go ahead and launch your campaign. And so we've done a lot of prep work on this. It's time to click the launch button and get things moving. And then you'll submit a screenshot so I know that you've launched your campaign. And the screen will look like this. You'll have your ad up here, your keywords down here. And that's really what I'm looking for. If you can't get to this screen because Google Ads changes their user interface, what I would need is two separate screenshots, one with your ad and one with your keywords. This is a good time to go back and make sure you have not established a smart campaign. If you've done a smart campaign, you won't get to see your keyword list because you don't get to choose your keywords. So make sure it's not a smart campaign and that you'll have control over this, and you'll be able to get to either this screen, or you can submit two screenshots, one showing your ads, one showing your keywords. That's really what I'm looking for, is I've got to make sure that your ad is enabled and your keywords are enabled, and this green dot tells me that that campaign is launched, the green dot next to your keywords. So that will be it. Project 3 is meant to be straightforward. We just want to make sure those campaigns are launched. That will prepare you for Project 4. We'll get into that in just a minute. Optimizing ad performance. This is part of what you'll do in Project 4. So this assignment is just helping you with that. But what you will do, since you don't have a lot of campaign data, you'll go ahead and use this document. So this is not your Google Ad campaign data that you're using. You're just learning to assess campaign data so you understand when yours starts to come in, how to read it. And so based on this document, you'll walk through how many clicks the campaign has had, impressions, what's the CPC, etc., etc. This information will help you understand this data a little bit more. Then, once you've filled that out, you'll go in and open up your Google Ads data. While that's loading, I'll take you down here. And the second half of this in step 6 will be based on this file here. So you've got 2 files you're working with. None of this is going to be your campaign data. You're going to use this preset campaign data to work through step 3. Step 4 will help you understand that data a little bit more. Then you can open a file in step 5 that shows information on these keywords and a little bit more information on advertisements down here. Then based on that, you'll determine which keywords you would add, delete, or pause, and why, and what ads you want to add, delete, or pause, and why. Make sure you justify your recommended changes to improve that campaign performance. This is the same process you're going to go through in Project 4. So this is really just going through preset data to get you accustomed to that. So that'll be it for your optimizing ad performance assignment. We'll briefly jump into Project 4 and notice the instructions will take you to week 12. That's when it's actually due. So this jumped me over to week 12 Project 4 instructions. As always, there's a video here, so I'm not going to spend a ton of time because I'll let you go into more detail here with this video. But the idea behind Project 4 is to gather information, data on your campaign that you just launched. Then you'll pause it, make changes and adjustments, and then you'll run it again. And the idea is that you can see the impact of the changes that you make. I've mentioned before that advertising, Google Ads, is an iterative process. You're going to run a campaign, you're going to make changes, you're going to run it again, and over time you'll see that improve. This is just the first iteration of that, the first practice on that. So you'll want to ensure you're gathering data from your campaign early on. You've got to run it for at least a few days to gather that data. Pause it, make changes. You'll record those changes on sheets 2, 3, and 4, and then you'll run it again and record the new data on sheet 1. So all Project 4 is a look at an initial run at your campaign, recording the data, making the changes, and recording the impact of those changes. Again, I'll let this video go into more detail, but that's the essence of what we're trying to accomplish in Project 4. When you click on that, you'll follow that link there. It'll kick you over to week 12 to be able to get to the actual assignment instructions. And that will be it. So a packed week this week. Good luck on your assignments and the turning in your Project 3, kicking off Project 4. A lot going on this week. Please reach out, particularly if you've got questions around that conversion tracking or how to identify a conversion. Happy to talk in more detail about your individual business model.